Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing your entire workload for the week has already been finished by someone else, or rather, by something else. This isn't a sci-fi fantasy. It is exactly what is happening right now inside Cisco. While the rest of the world is still trying to figure out how to write a good prompt on ChatGPT, Cisco just quietly pulled off one of the most disruptive moves in corporate history. They handed an army of highly advanced, autonomous AI agents to all 90,000 of their employees overnight. This isn't just another software update. This is the moment the theoretical AI revolution became an unavoidable reality. For the past 2 years, we have been sold a lie about artificial intelligence. We were told that AI chatbots would save us from the daily grind. But let us be honest, they haven't. If anything, they have made us busier. We are still stuck in endless back-to-back Zoom meetings, drowning in hundreds of unread Slack messages, and spending hours writing emails that could have been bullet points. 60% wasted time. Studies show that modern white-collar workers spend up to 60% of their workdays on what experts call work about work. This means managing spreadsheets, scheduling meetings, searching for documents, and coordinating tasks rather than doing actual productive work. Chatbots didn't solve this because they are completely passive. They do absolutely nothing until you manually type a prompt, wait for a response, copy-paste it, and then fix its mistakes. It is still a manual, exhausting process. But the real problem goes deeper. As companies try to force-feed these passive AI tools to their staff, employee burnout is reaching all-time highs. Workers are experiencing AI fatigue, feeling like they have to become prompt engineers just to keep up with their daily workloads. The promised era of ease has instead delivered a state of constant digital noise. The system is broken, and corporate giants have been searching for a way to fix it before their workforces completely crash. Enter Cisco, a legacy technology giant that literally built the hardware that runs the modern internet. If you are watching this video right now, your data is almost certainly passing through a Cisco router somewhere in the world. They are a massive, slow-moving titan of industry. But behind closed doors, Cisco realized something critical. The era of the passive chatbot is dead. The next stage of human evolution isn't conversational AI, it is agentic AI. Text overlay, agentic AI, To understand why this is such a massive shift, we have to look at the technology landscape. A traditional chatbot is like a calculator. It sits there, waiting for you to press buttons. An AI agent, on the other hand, is like a highly capable assistant. You don't tell it how to do a task step by step. You simply give it a goal, and it figures out the steps, executes them, makes decisions on its own, and reports back when the job is done. For months, tech startups have been hyping up these agents in controlled laboratory settings. We saw demonstrations of AI agents ordering food, booking flights, or writing basic code, but no major enterprise had ever dared to deploy them at scale. The security risks were too high, the technology was too unpredictable, and the fear of a rogue AI causing a multi-million-dollar glitch kept everyone paralyzed. Until Cisco decided to take the leap and use their 90,000 global employees as the ultimate testing ground. The scale of this rollout is almost impossible to comprehend. 90,000 employees suddenly have access to customizable AI agents capable of operating within Cisco's highly secure corporate network. Think about the sheer volume of data, server rooms with flashing lights. According to internal estimates, this deployment is projected to automate millions of cumulative work hours every single month. We are talking about tasks that used to take human teams weeks to complete being compressed into mere seconds. But here's the most shocking part. These agents aren't just running on individual laptops. They are deeply integrated into the WebEx ecosystem and Cisco's core network infrastructure. This means these AI agents can talk to other AI agents. A marketing agent can negotiate with a finance agent to approve a budget, which then triggers a legal agent to draft a contract, all without a single human intervention. It is an autonomous ecosystem running parallel to the human workforce. The metrics are staggering. Early trial data suggested productivity increases of over 40% in key departments like customer support, software engineering, and sales operations. This is not a marginal 5% improvement. This is a paradigm shift. Zoom in on host or grant. So what exactly did Cisco build? They didn't just buy a license for OpenAI's software. They built a massive, proprietary architecture known as the WebEx AI agent system. Displaner animation of agent workflow. These agents are equipped with what is called tool use. This means they don't just generate text. They can actually interact with the digital tools humans use every day. They can log into Salesforce, write and execute Python code, manage Jira tickets, schedule meetings, and even draft and send emails. Imagine you are a product manager at Cisco. Instead of spending your Monday morning gathering updates from 10 different engineers, analyzing their progress, and writing a status report, you simply tell your personal AI agent, create the weekly status report. The agent will autonomously message the other engineers' agents, pull the latest code updates from GitHub, cross-reference them with the project timeline, write a comprehensive report, format it perfectly, and send it to your director. You didn't write a single prompt during that entire process. You simply set the goal. The agent acted as a fully autonomous worker. But this is where the story takes a dark and highly unexpected turn. While Cisco is celebrating this as a massive victory for employee well-being and productivity, industry insiders are sounding the alarm. This massive rollout is the ultimate double-edged sword. Pressed workers staring. Think about it. If 90,000 employees now have AI agents that can do 40% of their work, what happens next? Companies don't deploy massive, expensive technology solutions just to let their employees work less and relax. They do it to maximize efficiency and reduce overhead. If one employee plus an AI agent can do the work of 3 employees, a massive downsizing is inevitable. This is the quiet, invisible layoff. Cisco doesn't need to announce massive job cuts immediately. They can simply stop hiring, let natural turnover take place, and allow the AI agents to absorb the vacant roles. The traditional entry-level white-collar job is effectively being erased. How does a junior developer or a junior marketer get experience when their daily tasks have been fully automated by an AI agent? We are rapidly heading toward a future where the gap between elite decision-makers and automated labor becomes an uncrossable chasm. Transition to sunrise over city. What Cisco has done is fire the starting gun for the agentic era. The transition from passive AI to active AI is no longer a future prediction. It is actively reshaping the corporate world today. 90,000 employees are currently living in a reality that will be standard for the entire global workforce within the next 3 to 5 years. The message is loud and clear. The skills that made you valuable yesterday, like organizing information, managing emails, and coordinating tasks, are being commoditized. The future belongs to those who know how to manage, orchestrate, and direct fleets of AI agents. If you want to stay ahead of this rapid AI transition and protect your career, you need to know what is coming next. Hit that subscribe button right now to join the AI News Network. And if you want to see how these AI agents are already replacing software engineers at other massive tech companies, click on the video on your screen right now. Stay informed, stay ahead, and we will see you in the next one.